All right, I was sent this leaf blower just to try it out. Now I've been using this a couple days. There's a couple of functions on here that I've never had in any other leaf blower. Or the first thing, it did come in the mail, and it was shipped in 3 different boxes. So you don't have to worry about it showing up and being broke. I thought that was really nice. It has 2 20-volt batteries that come with it. Now you can also use these batteries if you want to take these on a trip, like if you're going on a vacation or something, or you're going camping out in the woods, you could take these and even charge stuff that uses a USB cord. You could plug a USB cord in there and then plug this like into your phone and charge your phone with this. So that's kind of a neat thing. So yeah, it comes with 2 batteries, 2 20-volt batteries. There's a thing right here on the end that will show you if they're charged or not. Push that button in. It's going to tell you if they're fully charged or not. I have these fully charged. Now that's another thing too. If you do get this, make sure you take your batteries and fully charge them up. That should be the first thing you do. You don't want to put this in and go out and start using it right off the bat. I recommend plugging these in and fully charging them. But it comes with 2 little cords to plug them in. You can charge it with a USB, or you can pull this out, and it's also a USB-C if you want to use the USB-C. Everything's going USB-C nowadays, so it's nice that it has those 2 options. It came in 2 pieces, really easy to put together though. And if you want to take it apart to like store it somewhere, you can do that, but I'll probably leave mine together. Just put it together like that, real easy. This is called the Letheli U20. Let's put these batteries in and I'll show you how it works. I have some leaves to blow under my deck and out maybe in the front of my house. You just plug them in there like that, real easy. Could show you. Can't put them in backwards, so you put them in like that. They click in, and then there's a button right here on the back. You just push this button, and that's how they come back out. It's very well balanced. I like how this handle is. You just hold it there, nice and balanced. Pull the trigger, and then it blows air. Another nice thing it has, this is the trigger right here, so it will blow. It sucks air from the back here, so try not to keep that against your clothes. And it has a max button up here on top if you want to use the full power. So, holy buckets. And then also another thing I think is nice, it has this variable speed dial. So I can turn that all the way up. Then all I have to do is pull the trigger. Turn it down a little bit. But I'll show you here. I like having it all the way down. I notice it works really nice to blow the leaves off of all my mulch if it's in the lower setting. That way it doesn't blow the mulch all over the place. So let's go outside. All right, first I'm going to start on the low setting, and then we'll speed it up and see how she goes. I'll just try the max button maybe a couple times, and maybe I'll turn this variable up. This is just the low setting. Ooh, there's high. That's awesome. I think that high setting's working good. I'm just going to turn this variable up. That way you don't have to push that max button in. I love this thing. This used to take me twice as long. Oh, love it. All right, so far this thing is definitely working awesome. And let me show you on my mulch. I already did try that a little bit earlier, but I think that's where I really like the lower setting because it won't blow my mulch all over. Let's turn this down. Blow these out of there. Still blows my mulch a little, but not near as bad. I definitely think you'll like this Letheli blower. 100% recommend this. It's pretty awesome.